Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, you guys know the drill. If you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below, I don't care what it is. It super helps the channel out. It's Monday morning. We're back in the shop. This weekend we came in and painted the C10. So if you guys haven't yet, go check out that last vlog and tell me what you guys think. In the shop today, we have her size 1993 BMW. This is his practice drift car, hence the gutted interior, racing seats, and harness bar. He is setting this thing up to learn to drift in, so he has replaced both lower control arms, and it looks like he's got some wheel bearings he's going to throw in there probably later today as well, because he's waiting on the tie rod ends. Here is the hood to the C10. Also in the shop today we have a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. Now this car is a turbocharged car. These are pretty unique cars because they are 3-door. Hence, you guys see no door here. You got the rear hatch, but you got a back door on the passenger side only for the rear seats. A little bit different, but this guy's got it all stanced out. It's looking pretty cool. It looks like he's got some carbon fiber wheel flares that he's got fitted on the rear here, and it looks like he's got holes already on the front as well. So once we attach the front bumper, that's what it came in for. I'm sure he'll be throwing on those front flares as well. You can see we got the front grille radiator cover. We do have a replacement radiator cover, but the key piece he was missing was this. So we got some Hyundai genuine parts here. We have bumper retaining brackets for both sides. This guy was having a problem with the bumper cover not staying attached firmly. So sometimes when that happens, you got to start from scratch. So we have all brand new pieces here, brand new bumper retainers. So we are going to go ahead and fit his grille back in his original front bumper cover. We're going to fasten it the best we can, and then we're going to install the new bumper retainer brackets, the center radiator support brackets as well, and go ahead and get this bumper fastened in a good, secure way so he doesn't have any problems with it falling off, and he can get his front flares back on and not have to drive around with no front bumper. So pretty cool looking little car. It's a turbocharged car, 4-cylinder. Looks like he's got a pretty nice little engine intake, little turbocharger back there. Doesn't look like he has a blow-off valve mounted right to the front mount intercooler. It's just a little tiny intercooler sitting there. This is the AC condenser and radiator. So looks pretty cool. It's got a big old mouth of a grill. So today we are going to go ahead and get the bumper put together and go ahead and get this back on the vehicle. Now let's dip inside the spray booth. I did show you guys in the last vlog an update of the C10 after it was sprayed. But here is the C10. It's still sitting in the booth. Today I'm gonna go ahead and get a hand setting the hood on. But I was just kind of in here playing around a little bit this morning, and these aren't the right front blinkers. These are actually my side markers. Those are gonna go there, but I was just kind of putting them here for an example as far as what it's gonna look like. Now, I did have these brand new headlights that I was gonna put LED bulbs in for the front. Now, I do really love the look of these, but I've been thinking about switching out these headlights with one of my 76 K20 that are like a black housing LED, and they have like a halo ring around them. I thought that maybe those might look good on the C10 and these might go on the C20 or the K20, because I was already going to get a set of these on the K20. So if we switched them, I wouldn't have to buy anything else. But tell me what you guys think as far as how that looks. I do really love the look of it. I do plan on getting some chrome wheels for this thing, so maybe this is good enough, but I didn't want to take away from that like sinister look and that mean look of the front being all blacked out like this. I was going to get chrome headlight buckets, but we could also paint those. So anyways, tell me what you guys think about those headlights. We are going to be sticking the still in front valance underneath the front. I just have the emblem sitting in here loose right now to kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. Of course, these are chrome, so I don't think the little few pieces of chrome are going to take away too much from the mean look of this truck, especially once that lower valance is on. So Tell me what you guys think. I have the original C10 emblem sitting in the fender there. And then back here, I was playing around just setting the taillight lenses inside the taillight pockets. Now it also has a rear side marker. Has a really big foam gasket, so I'm not sure why it's so thick, but we might be taking those off. I'm not sure to get this light to sit in there a little better. I'm kind of nervous about this light hanging out so far that it's gonna get hit and break the light. But super love how the tail lights are looking from the rear. Tell me what you guys think. I also was going to get white vinyl Chevy letters, but we are kind of liking how the Chevrolet looks all satin black, so not sure if I should stick the vinyl lettering in there or not. We might just leave it like that, but I was also kind of thinking that maybe some gloss black lettering would look pretty cool too, because it would still be pretty blacked out and very subtle, but the gloss would contrast just enough off the satin paint that it would pop a little more too. So I'm gonna be thinking about that, but when we get some time here and there this week, we are going to start putting this back together. Got to dig through some hardware and see what I got for stainless screws and stuff. We might have to purchase some new stuff to get these lights fitted nice. So yeah, we got all new tail lights, side markers. We got blinkers coming. I already painted the old headlight buckets. I polished the rings. We got new headlights. We might be switching them out with the black ones off the K20. New LEDs to go with it. We got our emblems, we got a battery tie down we're gonna throw in. Our windshield wipers are polished up. We're waiting on the rear window molding. We do have the front window molding. We have interior door handles, exterior door handles. We're probably gonna go ahead and order a new set of exterior door handles as well as exterior door mirrors, because we don't have any mirrors yet. So anyways, I also this morning prepped out this original dash pad. Somebody had spray painted it black, and they did a really good job because I almost didn't even notice it had been painted, but in some spots it was already wearing through. I don't think they did a very good job and used the right stuff, so I went ahead and used a prep paste that I would normally use on a plastic bumper cover, and I went ahead and washed and scuff pasted this up and treated it just like it was a raw plastic bumper cover. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this on a stand. We're gonna spray it with adhesion promoter, and we're gonna shoot it with some trim black as well before we install it inside the vehicle. So, super pumped on how this thing's looking, guys. This week, if I get some time, I'm gonna start prepping the floor out for the Raptor liner. We'll at least get the inside of the cab shot with the Raptor liner, and then we'll reanalyze the rear for the Raptor liner. We'll probably get another kit so we can get actually 6 quarts of Raptor inside this big long bed and get a good thickness built. And then I'll be looking for a rear bed cover as well. So yeah, tell me what you guys think. I like a little bit of chrome. I do plan on getting some chrome wheels for this thing. Obviously the emblems are chrome, they're original. So tell me what you guys think of the little bits and pieces of chrome. I don't really necessarily plan on doing a chrome grille. We could get the headlight bucket so it doesn't look so naked and paint those black or leave them chrome. Maybe we should get the chrome grills. I just really like the blacked out look of this thing right now. So I'm pretty hesitant on even the emblems right now, but obviously I have holes, so we gotta do something. Painting chrome's not always the best, so we'll be figuring that out as well. So yeah, we're gonna get out here. We're gonna jump on this Hyundai Veloster. We're gonna get the bumper installed. We're gonna get this done and delivered out the door. And then we have to jump over to this Honda Goldwing motorcycle. Now we are doing a full detail on this bike. So over the next couple of days, we are gonna get all the paint buffed out, chrome polished up, and get this thing all looking good, ready for the bike season, and get it delivered hopefully by the end of the day tomorrow. So anyways, please like this video, leave a comment down below. I don't care what it is. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.